Imagine this, you're on a beach, laptop in hand, the sun is warm, the breeze is cool. You're working, yes, but it doesn't feel like work, it feels like freedom. This is the promise of affiliate marketing. It's a way to build a business online on your terms. No more 9-to-5 grind, no more boss looking over your shoulder. You're in control. Affiliate marketing is about connecting people with products they love and earning a commission for it. It's about building a business around your passions. Whether you love tech, travel, or cooking, there's a niche for you. The beauty of affiliate marketing is its accessibility. You don't need a ton of money to get started. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and the drive to succeed. So let's dive in and explore this incredible opportunity together. The world is changing fast. We live in a digital age where information travels at the speed of light, and with this shift comes a world of opportunity. The internet has broken down traditional barriers to entry. You no longer need a brick-and-mortar store to sell products. You don't need to invest in expensive inventory. All you need is a website or a social media platform and the ability to connect with your audience. This is where affiliate marketing comes in. It's a business model tailor-made for the digital age. It allows anyone, anywhere to tap into the power of the internet and build a successful business from the ground up. Affiliate marketing is more than just a business model. It's a bridge that can connect you to your dreams of financial freedom and location independence. It's a way to escape the rat race and build a life on your terms. Imagine waking up every day excited to work on your business. Imagine setting your own hours, answering to no one but yourself. This is the power of affiliate marketing. It's a way to take control of your future and build a business that aligns with your values and aspirations. If you're ready to take the leap and start building your dream life, then keep reading. Affiliate marketing, at its core, is a simple concept. It's a performance-based marketing model where you, the affiliate, earn a commission for promoting someone else's product or service. Think of it as a win-win-win situation. The customer gets a product they need or desire. The business selling the product gains a new customer and increased sales. And you, the affiliate, earn a piece of the pie for making the connection. This model is built on trust and value. You're recommending products and services that you genuinely believe in. When you promote products you love, your passion shines through, and your audience is more likely to trust your recommendations. Section 2, the affiliate's role, a bridge between product and customer. As an affiliate marketer, you act as a bridge between a product or service and the customer. You are the storyteller, the connector, the guide who introduces your audience to something that can benefit their lives. This is where your understanding of your audience comes into play. You need to know their needs, their desires, their pain points. Once you understand your audience, you can seek out products and services that align with their interests. Your role is not to be pushy or salesy. It's to provide valuable information, reviews, and recommendations that help your audience make informed decisions. By being authentic and focusing on your audience's needs, you can establish yourself as a trusted source of information in your niche. Section 3. The power of trust. Building a loyal audience. The foundation of a successful affiliate marketing business is a loyal audience. These are people who trust your judgment, value your recommendations, and are more likely to make a purchase based on your endorsement. Building this trust takes time and effort. It requires consistently providing valuable content, engaging with your audience, and being transparent about your affiliate relationships. Don't be afraid to share your personal experiences with products and services. People connect with authenticity. Share your successes, your challenges, and your honest opinions. Focus on providing value, and the commissions will follow naturally. Section 1. Low startup costs, breaking down barriers to entry. One of the most appealing aspects of affiliate marketing is its low barrier to entry. Unlike traditional businesses that require significant upfront investment, affiliate marketing allows you to start earning with minimal overhead. You don't need to manufacture products, manage inventory, or handle shipping and logistics. Your primary investment is your time and effort in building your online presence and creating valuable content. With a laptop, an internet connection, and a willingness to learn, you can launch your affiliate marketing journey. You can work from anywhere in the world at your own pace. This low barrier to entry empowers individuals from all walks of life to pursue their entrepreneurial dreams and achieve financial independence. Section 2. Flexibility and freedom defining your own success. Affiliate marketing offers unparalleled flexibility and freedom. You're not tied to a 9-to-5 schedule or a physical location. You can work from anywhere with an internet connection, setting your own hours and being your own boss. This flexibility allows you to design a lifestyle that aligns with your personal values and priorities. Whether you dream of traveling the world, spending more time with family, or pursuing your passions, affiliate marketing can provide the financial freedom to make it happen. You're in control of your destiny. Section 3. The power of scalability, growing your income exponentially. Affiliate marketing offers tremendous scalability. Unlike a traditional job where your income is limited by the number of hours you can work, affiliate marketing allows you to leverage your efforts and grow your income exponentially. Once you've established a solid foundation, you can scale your business by expanding into new niches, partnering with more affiliates, and automating certain tasks. This scalability means your income potential is virtually unlimited. This potential for unlimited growth is what makes affiliate marketing such an attractive business model for those seeking long-term financial freedom. Section 1. Ordinary people. Extraordinary results. One of the most inspiring aspects of affiliate marketing is its ability to transform ordinary lives. People from all walks of life with no prior business experience are achieving extraordinary results through the power of affiliate marketing. These aren't tech geniuses or marketing gurus. They're everyday individuals who decided to take control of their financial futures and build businesses around their passions. Stories of single parents replacing their 9-to-5 incomes, students paying off their student loans, and retirees funding their dream trips are a testament to the transformative potential of this business model. Affiliate marketing empowers anyone with the drive and determination to succeed, regardless of their background or experience. Section 2. From blogger to business mogul. Take, for example, the story of Michelle. Michelle was a stay-at-home mum with a passion for baking. She started a blog sharing her delicious recipes and baking tips. As her blog grew in popularity, she discovered the world of affiliate marketing. She started incorporating affiliate links for baking supplies and equipment into her blog posts. Her audience trusted her recommendations, and soon she was earning a significant side income from her passion. Michelle's story is a testament to the power of combining passion, authenticity, and affiliate marketing to create a fulfilling and profitable business. Section 3. The stay-at-home mom who cracked the code. Then there's John, a former corporate employee who was tired of the rat race. He longed for the freedom and flexibility to spend more time with his family. John stumbled upon affiliate marketing while researching online business models. He was intrigued by the idea of earning passive income while promoting products he believed in. John decided to focus on his passion for fitness and nutrition. Through consistent effort and a commitment to providing value, John's website gained traction. Within a year, John had replaced his corporate salary and was enjoying the flexibility and freedom he had always craved. Section 4. Finding your niche, fueling your success. These stories highlight a crucial element of success in affiliate marketing: finding your niche. Your niche is your area of expertise, your passion, your unique perspective that sets you apart from the crowd. When you're passionate about your niche, it shows in your content, your recommendations, and your interactions with your audience. This authenticity is magnetic and attracts a loyal audience who trust your judgment. These are the seeds of your success in the world of affiliate marketing. Taking the leap, your affiliate marketing roadmap. Ready to turn your passion into profit? Fantastic. Let's map out your journey to affiliate marketing success. Think of this as building a house. You need a solid foundation before you can hang those fancy curtains. First, choose your niche. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? Gaming, travel, cooking. Pick something you love and you'll never work a day in your life. Well, it'll feel a lot less like work. Next, decide how you'll connect with your audience. Blogging, social media, YouTube. Choose a platform that resonates with you and your target audience. Regularly create high-quality content that provides value to your audience. Build trust with your audience by being authentic and transparent. Content is king building your online empire. Content is the heart of your affiliate marketing empire. It's how you attract, engage, and ultimately convert your audience. But remember, it's not just about creating any content, it's about creating high-quality, valuable content that resonates with your target audience. Think about what your audience wants to know, what problems they need solutions for, and what kind of information will genuinely help them. Whether it's in-depth product reviews, helpful how-to guides, or entertaining videos, focus on providing value with every piece of content you create. Let your passion shine through. People connect with authenticity, so be yourself and let your unique voice be heard. Regularly publishing fresh, engaging content keeps your audience coming back for more and establishes you as a trusted authority in your niche. Joining the ranks affiliate programs and networks. Now that you have a growing audience, it's time to monetize your efforts. Affiliate programs are your gateway to earning commissions. Many companies, from tech giants to small businesses, offer affiliate programs. You can join these programs directly or through affiliate networks, which act as intermediaries, connecting you with multiple merchants. When choosing affiliate programs, prioritize products and services that align with your niche and provide genuine value to your audience. Don't just promote anything and everything for the sake of a commission. Authenticity is crucial. Your audience trusts your recommendations, so promote products you genuinely believe in. With a solid content strategy and carefully selected affiliate programs, you're well on your way to building a successful and profitable affiliate marketing business. Your digital toolkit, powering up your affiliate marketing. In the digital age, having the right tools can make all the difference. Think of it like this. You wouldn't build a house with just a hammer, right? Affiliate marketing is no different. Luckily, a treasure chest of tools and platforms can help you work smarter, not harder. First up, your website. It's your online home, your storefront, your 24/7 salesperson. Platforms like WordPress offer user-friendly interfaces and customizable templates, making it easy to create a professional-looking website. Next, you'll need to get your website noticed. That's where SEO, or search engine optimization, comes in. Tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs can help you research keywords, analyze your competitors, and track your website's performance. Social media mastery, amplifying your reach. Social media is a powerful tool for affiliate marketers. It's where your audience hangs out and discovers new products. Identify the platforms where your target audience is most active. Focus on key platforms rather than spreading yourself thin. Engage with your followers and foster a sense of community. Use it wisely and watch your affiliate marketing efforts soar. The future is yours. Embrace the affiliate marketing revolution. We stand at the cusp of a digital revolution, a world where entrepreneurship knows no bounds. Affiliate marketing is at the forefront of this revolution, empowering individuals like you and me to build businesses on our terms, achieve financial freedom, and live life on our own terms. Gone are the days of being chained to a desk, trading time for money. Affiliate marketing offers a path to passive income, where your efforts today can generate revenue for months and years to come. It's a business model that rewards creativity, passion, and a genuine desire to help others. But affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to learn and adapt. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and the most successful affiliate marketers are those who embrace change, stay ahead of the curve, and never stop learning. Take action today. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. So what are you waiting for? The world of affiliate marketing awaits. Identify your passion, build your online presence, and connect with your audience. The resources are out there. The tools, the platforms, the communities, and the mentors ready to guide you. Success is about taking action, learning from mistakes, and never giving up on your dreams. The journey may have its challenges, but the rewards are worth the effort. Imagine the freedom of being your own boss and working from anywhere in the world. Imagine the satisfaction of building a business around your passions and earning a living by helping others. This is the promise of affiliate marketing, and it's within your reach. Take that leap of faith, embrace the unknown, and watch as you transform your life one click at a time. The future is yours to create.